It's typical to play review games as a whole class, but sometimes you want your students to be able to review on their own and also have some fun. There's a website called ReviewGameZone that lets you type in some different questions, or you can use questions that somebody else has created, and then those questions are loaded into a series of different games. So I'm at ReviewGameZone right now, and if I go ahead and log in, I'll show you how easy it actually is to create your own set of questions. So I've signed in and you can see all of the different ones that I've created. All I do is click Add New Test. When I do, I give it a title and a description, choose the topic that I'm covering, the state and grade level so it can align this with other people's search options, and then I just go through and I type in each question. You have to at least have 10 questions, and then after that you can choose to add another question if you would like. Then you just click Save Test. So I'm going to go back to the home page so I can give you a little video that kind of describes the different games that they have.
This website contains online educational games for school-aged kids. Here you can play free, fun, and interactive online school games to help you study for exams, tests, and quizzes. There are over 10 types of play offered as classroom games, and you are currently watching screenshots of them all. In order to play these games, you need to answer a question, then you get to play. Remember, these are educational games, so there has to be some learning. The more often you answer correct, the longer you get to play the game. These games act as an incentive to get you to study the material, and as a reward for practicing the material, you get to play part of the game. Use these as review games to help you study for tests or exams. There are many types of games available on this website, so find one you like, start learning and having fun at the same time. Who would have thought that was possible? Test Review just got fun. ReviewGameZone.com.
Then to access the questions that you've created or the games for your students, if you go to all of your tests or your data sets, you'll see the ID number for the game. If you select that ID number, it'll take you to the games that are aligned with the questions that you created. All you have to do then is copy and paste that link into your Google Classroom for your students to access. Your questions are then loaded into all of these different games, and while your students are playing, questions will pop up. So to complete this station, you're going to go to your Class 5 quick links, and for Station 2, if you click where it says Review Game Zone, Series 1 Fun and Useful Technology Lessons, that'll take you to the question sets that are particular for this class. You can review some of the things that we have covered in classes 1 through 4.